What's up and welcome back. I am Jade Kaye, and today I will be doing my mother's hair using the Sheisbomb Glaze collection to get her hair slick. And you know what I'm saying, I gotta just do all the parts and then combing back down to make sure it's slick, and I just do that all over the head. And this is the hair that I will be using. I didn't really taper it at all, and I just used 11 strands, starting off with the smallest and gradually getting bigger. I think the last 4 was all the same size. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, the last 5 was like the same size. And as y'all saw, I started off with a little triangle, and then I braided for like maybe 3 times, and I started adding the hair on the right. And if y'all can't tell how to do a feed-in from this video, let me know and I will definitely be making another video for y'all. I really do hope y'all can see it, because this is really sped up like ×8 and I'm still braiding slow. Ain't that something? And my mother's hair is on the finer side, so after I finish this braid, you'll see me go back through on the roots with an edge brush and just brush over it to make sure everything's covered up. Honestly, I just be talking in these voiceovers. I don't be talking about nothing. But yeah, right here you can see that she's holding her braid because I did it a little too tight, so she just told me to do the other braid looser, which you will see. And here is the part about the edge brush that I was talking about, you know, just real simple, little comb, brush. And then we're just going to do the whole process all over again for this side, so it's going to be sped up a little bit more. All right, bye. I usually don't do mousse, but girl, I know you seen that little rebound I did. But yeah, I usually don't do mousse, but she insisted this time, and I'm kind of glad she did, because it gave that shiny look that I really like, and it was really pretty. But yeah, this is the end of the video, and I would show y'all some after photos, but she didn't even want to be on camera to begin with, and she definitely ain't gonna take no pictures. So I hope the ending product will suffice, and y'all will see me in the next one, which is probably gonna be a double upload today. So I hope you guys like the video, and I'm kind of getting better on braiding, so it's one album. If y'all like my video, you can give me a thumbs up. If you ain't like it, why did you watch my whole video if you didn't like it? And if you mess with me or whatever, make sure you subscribe. It ain't gonna hurt nobody. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.